Hello, my English learner. Be ready to speak confidently with these common English questions. I do recommend watching this video and repeat out loud. Use your pronunciation markers. I am Virgil Pierre from Interactive English Meeting Courses. Thank you so much for learning with me. Let's get started.
My name is Chicky. Chicky.
6 Common English Questions and Answers by Mr. Virgil.
Welcome, Miss Berlin, in our today's lesson.
Thanks, Mr. Virgil.
Let's get started. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
How you been?
Have been doing well. How about you?
How's it going?
Pretty good. And you?
What's new?
Not a lot. What's new with you?
What's been going on?
Not much. How about you?
You doing okay?
I'm doing all right. How about you?
Here are 6 common English questions and answers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you loved this video, like it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for learning with me. I am Virgil Pierre. See you in the next video.